Corey, will you direct them to their appropriate areas?
Oh my goodness.
All right, go on out there, guys. My husband will show you where to go.
Go ahead, babies.
Yep, you guys both have bags over here, too.
I think this is you. I think this is your stuff.
This is my stuff?
Yeah.
I have a blue bag.
Oh,
These are the girls, right?
Yeah, and they can choose. They're kind of the same thing, so you guys can just choose whichever color you want.
I see, Bubba.
Over here is
That's the baby. That's the little baby.
for the baby.
Oh, she got her a rainbow one.
Look, Jada, she just got one for her birthday 2 days before the tornado hit and lost it.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, God.
Well, that's perfect then, huh? What did you get? What is that?
Got a leapster.
Look over here.
You get a leapster?
Look at that.
Yay! There's stuff inside your backpack too.
Look at this.
Oh my gosh.
I think we're sending you on a shopping spree.
Yes. Yep, I already gave it to him.
That's green. Look. That's like
Put
green.
it up, guys. Check it out.
Daddy, look.
I see it, Bubba.
This is Witnesses have new clothes stuff. What's it? Dad?
Did you get candy? That's the best, huh?
You got Dora panties.
Look
Look at all that.
Goodness.
Hey girls, make sure you look really carefully in your bags. There's something little in there, but it's super awesome. You'll know when you see it.
Yeah, we'll get on into it later. Oh my gosh. You got little hot potatoes.
Stephanie said you guys might have some friends that'll help you load those little nanos.
Awesome.
Mom, I have new flip-flops.
Yay, look
Mom,
at your
I
stuff.
want to play my GM.
That's awesome.
You can see which one do you have. You have a pink one.
Daddy, you have a bag over there too.
I have a purple.
Okay, I got it.
You got Julia. And Julie, you got that.
I know you don't understand.
Look at that shirt. That's awesome.
Right? It's adorable. I survived an F5.
My girlfriend made another one that said, my mommy saved my life, my hero.
Aww.
What you have.
In a little bit, you'll have to tell me your story, and I'll video it for my fans. Woo. That was loud.
Look at all that. Look at all this.
I didn't know what kind of passies he took, so I got what my kids love, which are their mams.
Oh, yeah.
Is that awesome or what?
That's the. I couldn't find. I tried to find a new one to replace hers yesterday. I couldn't find one anywhere.
Hey, baby, you don't get no more manly than turkey. Thank you guys so much.
You're so welcome.
Go ahead, turkey. Right.
Do y'all want to bring Mama's bag down here? It's that zebra one.
The zebra one? Okay. Come on. Come on, Mama.
Dad, can I have this?
Just a minute, baby. Yeah.
Oh, here it comes.
Wow, look at all this stuff. Let me see this picture. Wow. It is purple. Oh.
Do you like it?
No, it's awesome.
Baba!
Because I'm sure you guys lost a lot of your photos, if not all of them. I got an awesome little month-by-month little picture frame for him, so you can take pictures and track it throughout the first year.
Oh my goodness. Wow. You thought of everything. Things I didn't even think of.
Aww.
Wow.
So,
Oh, a new watch.
Mom, look.
All this stuff on the back side of all the presents were stuff that I gathered today from all the different shelters. And actually this tub right here was all of my baby boys' clothes. I had 2 boys, and so that's all of their extra clothes. So, and it goes all the way up to, I think, 12 months in that bucket.
Oh, amazing. Yeah, I had a tote container full of older clothes.
Mm-hmm. And now they have things back here too that they can use. There's actually, I think there's a Barbie doll, and there's a sleeping bag for you back here. A SpongeBob one for the boy, and a princess one for the little girl.
Put this stuff back in your baskets, guys. And then y'all look over there. Look in the stuff in the back.
Mine.
Look over there in that stuff. Go this way.
This horse is mine.
What do you say, guys? It's just awesome. Whoa, it's Avengers. Look at that.
Macaronis and food.
It's amazing.
Can we hold him, Mama?
Oh, it's just crazy. Look, she just thought of everything. I mean, she thought of things.
Those are my kids' favorite. Even at this,
My kid's
I have
favorite,
a 4 or almost a 4-year-old.
This morning I was trying to feed him some cereal. I didn't have any spoons.
There is cereal back here too. The church has donated baby cereal, so there's and formula. There's 6 cases of your formula that you use. So there's all sorts. There's diapers galore, wet wipes, and all sorts of stuff. I think the sack with all the formula is right here. Sweetheart, will you grab this sack right here that has the diapers on top and show that to her?
Does these have batteries? Yeah, they have batteries.
I know how important formula can be.
Oh my gosh, and it's so... It is so hard. Nobody knew what kind I was talking about, and I was like, it's what it is.
I have bubbles.
There's a big thing of
Oh
bubbles.
my God.
The small necessities.
I don't think there's a whole lot missing from what could be used. That's for the little 5-year-old boy.
Preston,
And he makes noises too. He talks.
look at this.
It matches your sleeping bag.
Sleeping bag. So awesome.
Stop it. I mean, Larry, stop it. Because I'm going to talk to him.
A new
Look
bag.
at this, Jaden. It's a Bible. Look. It's a new Bible. Look at that.
Aww.
It's a new Bible. You can read your stories about Jesus.
There are a couple other more kind of generic Bibles in there
Awesome.
if the older girls want them. Ooh, so loud.
Bibles.
Daddy.
All right.
Look, Jay. Girls with
Here,
the hair
show you.
dryer.
Let me show you. Here, Dad, get it.
Look, JJ. Sparkle shoes.
There we go.
There's your baby. There's your princess like you had. Remember in your toy box?
Remember that one? Snow White?
Look at that. Look at
Now
that.
you got Belle.
Now you got Belle, like Bella.
She's excited about that leapster. She hasn't put that down.
Come here, Preston. Here, Preston. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Let's give her a big hug.
Big old hugging.